Yeah. Money make the world go round. I'm trying to get it all right now. Everybody worry about the crown big. Look, homie, I'm the man right now. Talking to a peon, kind of time we on. Move like the kind to take eons. Got a little buzz, time to go beyond. Can't look back, no time to hit rewind. Yeah, she wants to do S class. I'm like, move, you must ask. They pour way too much in your glass. Just move your hips like a hold up glass. Lift that cab, I talk that kid. Strut like up and I walk that shit. When I'm up, that's it. I'ma start living reckless. Get that bag, I'ma walk like this. Yeah, I'ma walk like this. Hit that lane, I'ma walk like this. Walk in the spot, but they all get lit. So they won't flow, let me talk my shit. Every song bang, but they drop in hit. Stand on the man, don't stop, no miss. Over your head, that time don't slip. Play your part, better read that script. Yeah, I'ma walk like this.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm steady focused on money now. I'm trying to count to 100,000. That's daily. Grady pay me. M's and M's, no Slim Shady. Make the count going so crazy. Still live it up when I'm over 80. Flying, I'm hotter than ladies. Little fingers up to the ones who hate me. Come with my ride in a motherfucking drought. Everybody lying for a little bit of clout. Stay making moves like I'm trying to sell a house. That's how it be when you're raised in the South. Mama always said that this money be the death of me. Money can't buy you happy, but I never seen a sad man ride in a jet ski. Time will tell me to break that speed. First it was hit, now they shot my steed. Took small sips, now they drinks on me. Commas in the bank, that's all I need. Business first and chill after. Set to cruise, but not the actor. Work hard, let the money stack up while y'all broke like a stress record. My God.
आता नक्की मी उद्या बंद करून
दोन नको